everyone. This morning's Cool House brings us to a really special part of town. This is Max DeMello. Max, good morning.
Good morning, Celeste.
You walk in and you think, wow, it completely opens up.
Yeah, 16-foot high ceilings in the great room, and you got wood treatment all throughout. It's just a massive, very impressive entrance once you come in.
All right, let's take a look.
Let's do it.
Here we are in the kitchen, and you have almost every tool you would need to entertain.
Yeah, this is the ultimate private chef's kitchen. I mean, the kitchen island is about 15 feet long. We got stainless steel appliances, all luxury brand, Thermador, plenty of space to enjoy your cooking.
Yeah, put a meal out for your entertainment.
Yeah.
What would a great room be without a beautiful dining space?
Yeah, this dining space sets itself up perfectly for entertainment. There's a lot of space here. It connects directly to the kitchen, and you have a temperature-controlled wine room right next to you.
It really is so unique, this home. Who designed it?
So the gentleman's name is Joel Contreras. He's one of the top designers here in town, and every project he does always has a very, very special touch with lots of attention to detail.
Here we are in the primary suite, and I think this is really unique because it opens to the swimming pool.
Yeah, it opens to the swimming pool, and then you guys are gonna see here in a little bit, we have amazing Camelback Mountain views, direct access to the primary master bathroom suite. That is just spectacular.
Yeah, and it's cool that you have the bathtub inside where the showers are.
Plus you see the mountain while you shower.
That's true. Great view. We finish our tour here in the backyard, but there's not just one and not two, but there's three.
That's right. Where we're standing right now, that's the backyard that's directly accessible from the great room. Then the junior master suite has a separate outdoor area that can be used for whatever you want. And then the pool area is separate, where you have the great views, and attached to it a lounge with a fire pit so you can enjoy sunsets out there.
Really unique that you have the swimming pool in the front of the house.
Yes.
What part of town are we in right now?
So we're on the south side of Camelback Mountain. We're in Phoenix, 85018 zip code, just north of Camelback Road, east of the Henry, 44th and Camelback, and west of the Phoenician and Old Town.
All right, beautiful spot of town. Max, thank you for the tour this morning.
Thank you so much, Celeste.
This is one cool house.